testing day? No problem. With PATGuard Cloud, asset data, reports and test history are all in one place, so you can spend less time searching and more time getting the job done. PATGuard Cloud is the next generation of cloud-based test and tag software designed to solve your electrical safety management headaches. Have complete freedom to manage your testing data anytime, anywhere, and on any device. Whether your company offers electrical and fire safety services for multiple clients or you carry out in-house testing, PATGuard Cloud can be customized for you. Unlimited user access means you can collaborate seamlessly with your colleagues or clients, even from different locations. Synchronize testing data in real time. Experience automatic updates and backups to ensure your data is secure for the future. Save time with simplified data management. PATGuard Cloud's user-friendly dashboard gives you instant insights, track reports, manage tasks, appointments and tests all in one place. Reduce stress by creating polished reports and invoices in seconds, impressing your clients and setting yourself apart from the competition. Stay organised through automatic reminders of upcoming retest appointments, events and calibration dates. Accepts all major brands of testers. Make electrical safety simple so you can focus on what matters most, growing your business and providing top-notch service. Start your free trial today. Experience the future of electrical safety testing software.